Hi, I'm Kaia, and this is What's in My Bag. I think my bag says I like to keep it pretty simple. I can't have that many things with me or they'll go missing, always. First thing, always have a book, because if you're not reading, what are you doing? I always have a pair of sunglasses. I just hate having stuff that you don't need. I really try to just keep it to the things that I use every single day. A model or actress, I would say should always have something to keep them entertained in their bag because we wait around a lot and there's only so many times you can scroll through Instagram and Twitter and all that. Keys, because I like to be able to get back into my apartment. If I could fit one person in my bag, probably be my mom. It'd be nice to just be like, Mom, come pick me up. Next, Choo. I feel like a fashion blogger. The next thing, Daisy Love. Great perfume. I want everyone to think I just got out of the shower always. So, reapply. People are usually surprised at the snacks that I carry in my bag. There was a really long period of time where I was carrying packets of lemon juice around and everyone thought that was super weird. And whole entire peanut butter jars. What else? Ooh, Trident White. Everyone wants their breath to smell good. And it also gives you something to do when you're bored. So blow a bubble and smell good while doing it. I feel like I'm doing a Trident White ad. Hire me. I would trade bags with, oh, you know what? I would trade bags with Carly Kloss for the day because I watched her do like a travel video or something and she's really organized. Last thing, Rouge Volupté to Shine. And this is the one makeup product that I will not leave my house without. You know, that's another thing I lose a lot is my phone, and I don't know where it is right now, so. And I never have the ringer on, so we cannot call it.